Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing this review site, this Moyo Cube site. I'm going to be doing this Gan 36 RS first. I'm going to be doing that. Yeah, I bought another RS. So let's open it. I already kind of opened it. So Cube is in the box and it turns well. You see no magnets right here. Okay, let's take a close. See, it turns quite well. Yeah, so yeah, no magnets here. See? And the cube inside quite good too. So but today's video is not about the what again? RS. Yeah, it's about it's about the M, big bad boy. So focus. Okay, so this is the M and it's quite good cube. So let's unbox it. Okay, so this is the inside. It's quite nice. I'm saying this is the AI thing. $5 or 19 yen. Let's scratch off this. I don't want to scratch it off, so I'm going to just place it here. And let's check out the accessories they give us. If you buy the version 2, that will give you nothing except a bag and a flip. So I'm just gonna unbox it and I'll quick unbox it. So yeah. Okay, so these are the things inside. Okay, you guys can see there's like this thing. Okay, so the first thing is this weird thing. I noticed that then you can come with a Gan bag here. And this, and a box. Okay, so the next thing is the main highlight of this video, and it's cube. So you just open it like that. So this is the cube. So it's quite nice, quite smooth. Wait. Magnetic, so it will control your moves, right? I think. So I'm just gonna keep doing this. Blah blah blah. Okay, so I'm just gonna stop here, and you can see here the difference with the Gan RS. Oh shoot. Gan 36 RS does not have, and this cube, oh shit, sorry guys, this cube has magnets, but that doesn't have magnets. And see, the magnets are right here. And yeah, that's all for this video, and hope you guys enjoy. Peace out.